are we going to have an awkward 1 minute?
No, I don't
Okay, I
start.
I was like, okay.
मुझे स्क्रिप्ट दी गई थी, मैंने पढ़ी, मगर उसके अंदर प्री क्लाइमैक्स और क्लाइमैक्स मिसिंग था. मैं शायद वो 5 मिनट के लिए यही सोच रहा था कि क्या इसको क्लाइमैक्स पता है.
रिक्वेस्ट दीनू सर की सर 30% तो बनता है सर, आप हमें कमीशन दे देना. वील पुट अ
You should get
रिक्वेस्ट.
some percentage out of
Yeah,
it.
absolutely.
हम एक हाथ से लिखना भूल चुके हैं. पेन कौन पकड़ता
Oh,
है?
when you write, you
Yeah,
don't want
फोटोग्राफ
to.
देने के लिए पेन लेकर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करने के लिए.
सिकंदर का मुकद्दर के 3 धुरंधर हमारे साथ है. नमस्कार, बहुत बहुत स्वागत. मेरा नाम है अरुण सिंह. वी आर डूइंग दिस फॉर एनडीटीवी नेटवर्क, सो वील कीप अ मिक्स ऑफ इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी. बहुत बहुत स्वागत. जब हम रिसर्च कर रहे थे, मैंने एक चीज़ नोटिस की, आप तीनों के बीच में एक बहुत बड़ी कॉमनैलिटी है. बिफोर आई रिवील दैट, आई वांट यू गाइज टू एक्सप्लोर व्हाट डू यू थिंक, व्हाट इज द मोस्ट कॉमन थिंग बिटवीन you three, something that connects you guys. What do you think?
We're all humans.
Humans, well, that's
That was
a
a good
great
one.
start.
Wow.
That's it. I couldn't have noticed.
Yeah.
That's a great start. What do you think?
I think we're dressed in the same color today for some
Yeah,
reason.
it's the
yeah.
browns. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's interesting. What do you think?
Yeah. We're all in Delhi.
That's a smart one.
Yeah.
That's really nice. But no, what I think is that all of you have been part of cult cinema. Like एक ऐसा काम, I'm sure एक से ज़्यादा भी हैं, but जैसे ही आपका नाम आता है तो वो एक कल्ट फिल्म आती है, जैसे लैला मजनू, जैसे बाहुबली, Tanu Weds Manu, and there are many more. So I think that really connects you guys, and all of you have that one cult film जो आगे आने वाले 20-30 सालों तक भी लोग देखेंगे and be like that film which is crazy. And I hope सिकंदर का मुकद्दर में भी वो यादें जो हैं हमारे साथ जरूर जुड़ेंगी. What was the first reading like? I am really amused कि जब ये 3 कलाकार मिले, what was that like? You must have met पहले भी socially, or was it आप में से किसी का ऐसा था कि पहली बार मिल रहे थे?
No, we had not met before.
I met both of them for the first
For
time.
the first time, what was it like, if you can elaborate?
I mean, the first time when I met Jimmy sir, there was absolute silence for 20 minutes. Me, Jimmy sir and Neeraj sir were sitting, and all we did was sab theek.
But why?
अब 2 सीनियर्स थे, मैं तो चुपचाप बैठा हुआ था. I used to feel that it's my responsibility to keep the energy up, so I would end up
Small talk कर
yeah,
लेता
small talk कुछ इधर नहीं सर ये वैसे करके फिर वापस चुप हो जाता था क्योंकि ये दोनों जन कुछ बोलते ही नहीं थे. So that was my first experience with Jimmy sir. The first experience was अभी recently when we met for the film. We were in Agra, right? And
Yeah.
that's where we met. We actually met directly for a reading, and we straight off. I think we straight off did the like we actually got on floor and started
Yeah, shooting.
rehearsing, right?
Yeah.
No, we rehearsed that day also
Yeah, we
on the
rehearsed
chair.
that.
I think the first or second rehearsal. I think second rehearsal suddenly we got the sur, and then it just became very very easy. Just
Smooth.
yeah.
Anything that you have in your memory the first time you met?
Tamanna I had met a couple of times before, as
Socially.
in like socially here and there at premieres and all that. And Avinash, like he said, that situation was such that me and Neeraj were sitting, and suddenly Avinash comes in, and I was just I was dubbing somewhere or something, and Neeraj said, if you're around, why don't you just come to the office? And I said, chalo theek hai, I'll come have a coffee. I was having my coffee, and suddenly Avinash also comes, and then there was some 5-10 मिनट का पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस जो होता है.
5-10 मिनट.
That was
That's
just
quite long.
So awkward.
Because वही जो नीरज ने कहा कि जी that's Avinash, that's Jimmy, and this that and all whatever, और फिर सब साइलेंस
ढूंढ
होके
रहे हैं
बैठ
कि किसकी
गए.
बात
थोड़ा
करें.
शाम का वक्त था, मैं तो डेफिनेटली थका हुआ था, बट वो ही इज़ राइट, वो एक अजीब सा साइलेंस था 5-7 मिनट के लिए, और उसके बाद सबके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी आ गई और सब फिर बोलने लग गए. और जहाँ तक स्क्रिप्ट का सवाल है, आई थिंक मुझे स्क्रिप्ट दी गई थी, मैंने पढ़ी, मगर उसके अंदर प्री क्लाइमैक्स और क्लाइमैक्स मिसिंग था. तो मैं शायद वो 5 मिनट के लिए यही सोच रहा था कि क्या इसको क्लाइमैक्स पता है. तो so yeah, I mean that was it, but it was great fun.
Yeah, it was.
Shooting together. Yeah.
And again,
We all had a great
Neeraj
time.
Pandey, such a big name, amazing filmography. You've worked with him for different projects. Is there anything that stands out? Because you guys, of course, work with different creators, directors. What is that one thing that really stands out for Neeraj Pandey, kind of direction he does? Is there any process which makes him different? which can amuse our audiences or me, because I'm really amused to know what makes him stand out, because his work definitely does.
Well, I would have a long list of things to say, but because these both people have worked with him a lot more, it was my first experience. Or are we going to have an awkward 1 minute?
No, why don't you
Yeah,
start
I-
since you had it for the...
I was like, okay, is
trying to
this...
figure out who's
No,
going
yours was the first experience. I'm sure उसमें ज़्यादा stand out करता है. तो अगर आप
I mean,
बताएं.
I was a huge fan of his these really long one takes, because you can tell that the camera doesn't cut in many of his films. That's something that he's followed, and I just wanted to be a part of that experience where I understand how does he even conduct that, because they're extraordinarily long shots, and it's not like just one person is conducting it. There are so many people that are moving and crossing, and there's so much activity that's going on through those one extremely long shots that it's, I think the one edge that Neeraj sir has over anybody else is his organization and how he coordinates, gets everyone to just like do everything that they need to do, and the prep work that they do behind it, and the kind of people he hires to execute that. And he doesn't even take like a breath in the middle of the day. He's just like super focused, like razor sharp. You really can't have, we'll never be like chilling on the sets or hanging. He always has this mild smile on his face, which sometimes you don't understand whether it means that he's really happy or is he really worried.
Yeah, you
or
don't know
is
what's
he-
going-
He's just,
going
he has
on.
this, his poker face is a mild smile.
Okay.
Which looks scary sometimes. But I think that is his, that's his game face, I'm guessing, because that just keeps him in the zone.
Okay.
But he's exactly like the directors that I think I've worked with who've been the best directors in our country. Like their instructions are very short. Like in one line they will give you what you need to do, and honestly you don't need to have a longer conversation to actually communicate.
So short conversations, long takes
Precise.
is what my takeaway.
Yeah, very
from
short
you would
conversations, precise conversations, but very long takes.
be. You, what do you think?
So there's a very funny thing that happened when I was shooting with him for Auron Mein Kahan Dam Tha. There were some long scenes with Ajay sir and myself and Tabu also and everything. So now, having worked with Neeraj on 3-4 films earlier, I just knew one thing, that he likes to keep the energy up. So when it's a steady cam shot, you're walking and you're coming, you're giving your dialogues, they're all sharp and precise and everything. So we start shooting the scene for Auron Mein Kahan Dam Tha, and I had that thing in my head. I'd read the script, so I thought that we'll keep the energy up a little bit, and I started off. Then he suddenly comes to me and he takes me on the side and he says, थोड़ा सा धीरे चलेंगे. लंबे dialogue थे. So I thought he'll shoot this one also in the same way, the same kind of energy. कि तो क्या कर रहे थे तुम? I'm sure कि तुम यहाँ गए थे. थोड़ा सा धीरे चलेंगे. मैंने कहा, I thought you always got. He started laughing. Instantly, आराम से. इस वाली को आराम से करते हैं.
तो जैसा पेसी एडिट है आप उसको जहन में रख के you are going all in, but that's interesting.
So that was funny then.
Avinash, before you give your takeaway, how are you receiving all the love that you're getting from Laila Majnu? I saw your reel where you went to Kashmir and people were literally mobbing you. There were girls tracking you.
Well, so this again came out of nowhere. My director and I keep saying that this is almost like divine intervention. I'd gone to Kashmir for a couple of days. He was in Kashmir, so I thought I'll meet him. We happened to walk into a restaurant. I just shared a story, and 3-4 girls walked in, and they made a reel which just went viral the next day. Cut to I'm in Srinagar, and I get tagged with reels with looking for Kais Bhatt, and then like I was insisted to have a meet and greet in Srinagar. I said चलो कर लेते हैं. My director said 4 लोग नहीं आएंगे, क्यों बेइज्जती करा रहा है. तो मैंने ठीक है कोशिश करके देखते हैं. And I think just it didn't stop from there. That meet and greet happened. We were not allowed to go out. मुहर्रम का दिन था और श्रीनगर में इतनी भीड़ एक जगह पे उसके बाद भी हो जाए वो. And so many girls. It's a slightly conservative state to have these ladies really let out all their emotions for the character was something no one expected. And Sajid just kept saying कि अच्छा श्रीनगर में आपको रिलीज चाहिए तो tag PVR and Ox. This is all we could do. That's why we didn't know what to do. So if you want, please. That's
Tag
all
them,
we
yeah.
said, and they just went on with it. So they started with one show in Srinagar on 2nd of August, and that one show became 3 that very day, and within 3 hours, Friday to Monday, everything was full in Srinagar. I think that made Pivara Inox wake up and say, let's do it all over India. And they released it in Cult Classic, thinking we will release it in 75 screens around the country, and started off with almost 225 screens to 400 to 700 the next day. It just kept building on. This is something we had not seen when the film released. We had seen 4 people in the theaters. So the joy was for me and my director to just travel around the theaters, say thank you to everyone who has come there, because it was just a feeling we had never witnessed for the film. And it just went on from there on. So the only thing I can do is join my hands and thank everyone who's been supportive of the film.
That's sweet. Coming back to Neeraj Pandey, what would be your takeaway with the kind of process that stands out for you?
I think one thing which I feel is very, very strong with Neeraj Pandey is the understanding of Heartland and the connect with it, which I find present times is slightly rare. Not many people can really boast of it. There is a clear urban and heartland divide in the kind of films made. Very few films are able to really cater to all kinds of audiences, and he has that presence, very strong hold of the heartland. So that I feel is one thing very, very unique about him. Rest they have mentioned. He's one of the most organized setup that I've seen. He really wants to do the reading and rehearsals, which again has, over a period of time, you feel that directors have started doing that lesser. The prep time of sitting down and doing rehearsals for some time. That I felt, for me personally, I felt that has kind of reduced. And then there was this one man who was really going conventional with it, so that was fun. What I find about his film different again, because they are one shots, it kind of gives you a feeling of theatre, because and theatre becomes an actor medium, right? So for some reason, though it's completely his film, it's a director's medium, you do feel that it's your medium too, because you are on it all the time, right, dude?
Yeah.
The shot is on, and your head, body, mind, soul, everything is on it. So that's a different experience that I felt on this film. Yeah, I think rest has been summed up. So,
okay, coming to you, you also created a rage with Aaj Ki Raat. There are not only women but men imitating those moves, the kids imitating those moves. Did you expect that?
No, I think that's the thing with movies, right? Or any visual medium. I think I put the same effort whether I make a reel or I make a feature or I make a long format or a song. The effort that goes into it and the passion that goes into it is the same. But I think what really worked for Aaj Ki Raat was that, when an actor tries to attempt a song and keeps a character in mind and performs a song, I think it comes across quite differently than when you just, I think it's also how your gaze is onto the song. And I think I never looked at it just as, just about the glamour quotient of it.
Of course,
but it was
keep talking
channeling
about
that.
the power that franchise actually had with
Yes.
it. But do you think the song also needs to be credited enough for the kind of
इतना
performance?
प्यार मिल गया और क्या credit करेंगे?
You think it has
then Dinu sir will have to send me a few, he'll have to send me a paycheck from what was
That's what I'm
earned.
saying. Do you think it contributed heavily in the revenue of
That's the
Don't you believe
purpose
it?
of everyone
I
on
mean, I
that
would
film.
want her to.
Listen,
Do you believe it?
There's
I guess
there's
it is.
Rajkumar, there is Shraddha, there is.
Do you think the song contributed in the revenue or not?
I think it did. I think it did.
I'm sure
I
of it.
find it really
I'm
awkward
certain.
to admit it.
But no, of course. Why shy away from
Yeah, why
admitting
not?
the reality?
But it's pure, like this time. I think
we can
it's-
actually
it's-
request Dinu sir ki sir 30% तो बनता है सर आप हमें commission दे देना we'll put a
Yeah, you
request
should
for
get
it.
some percentage out of
Yeah,
it since he's
absolutely.
pitched it. Lovely. As we wrap this conversation, since it's about heist, आप लोग झूठ बोल रहे हैं एक दूसरे से. So I thought we'll have a segment which is true truths, one lie.
Okay.
अपने बारे में 2 सच, 1 झूठ, जो आपके बाकी जो आपके colleagues हैं, आपके cast members हैं, they'll try to find out. So वैसे वाले बताइएगा जो दूसरा catch ना कर पाए. Avinash, do you want to go first? Do you want to tell 2 truths and 1 lie about you, which Tamanna and Jimmy Ji will have to point out?
Okay.
इन्हीं सब चीज़ों के लिए इंटरव्यू होते
है
हैं
ना?
एंड में ये करना पड़ता है।
पढ़ाई भी कर लेते हैं इसके लिए इस इंटरव्यू के लिए तो ज़्यादा से okay, 2 truths and 1 lie, right? I've done my training in acting from New York. I love Godfather. I hate the mountains.
What do you think is the lie?
What do you think is the lie?
He said he
करी
hates
है
mountains.
इन्होंने अपनी एक्टिंग क्लासेस तो वहाँ की हैं अमेरिका में, न्यूयॉर्क फिल्म एकेडमी, if I'm not mistaken, ठीक है.
And you said you love Godfather.
Yeah.
Okay, he
He
loves
loves
Godfather.
Godfather भी
बोलेगा।
सच है ये इस पे.
I hate mountains.
Hate mountains हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता.
What is the lie?
Maybe is a
I think I
be
hate mountains.
hate mountains ही होगा 100%. झूठ मतलब जो बोल
Is
रहे
that
हो.
correct?
Yeah, I love mountains.
Lovely. Tona, do you want to give it a shot?
Okay, I can write with two hands. I love dancing and I love swimming.
झूठ पकड़ी है.
Right with two hands. Have I seen her use her left? And the third one was swimming.
She loves swimming, is what she said.
It doesn't look like the water body, so I'm still like, I think third one. Sir, what do you think?
क्या चीज़?
I haven't seen her. Have you seen her right with both hands?
दूसरी दो चीज़ें क्या हैं?
और दूसरी स्विमिंग पसंद नहीं है.
मैं पसंद है. Swimming पसंद है और
यही झूठ है.
ये झूठ है ना, मुझे भी
पक्का झूठ है.
Is that correct?
Actually, मैंने दो झूठ बोले.
तेरे ने one truth two lies कर दिया है कि दोनों हाथों से नहीं लिख सकते.
I was like, कोई तो मतलब.
दोनों हाथों से नहीं लिख सकती. Good one, good one. What do you think, sir?
हम एक हाथ से लिखना भूल चुके हैं. पेन कौन पकड़ता
हाँ,
है?
when you write, you realize.
ऑटोग्राफ देने के लिए पेन लेकर, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करने के लिए पेन लिखता है. एक हाथ से नहीं लिखा जाता.
Lastly, Jimmy sir, what do you think? आप देना चाहते हैं attempt? 2 truths, 1 lie?
अबे मैं भी कुछ अलग करता हूँ.
बोल के.
Please तीनों lies मत देना.
I like vodka, I like whiskey, I like beer. बताओ क्या
Oh,
झूठ
this is
है?
hard.
बताइए क्या झूठ है? Vodka, whiskey and beer.
I'm feeling he's more of a vodka whiskey guy than beer.
I think he's a whiskey guy.
Yeah,
I don't
he's
know.
a whiskey guy. So I mean, so
I think that's the only truth. As per me, what do you think?
he's not a beer guy, is what I feel. Like he might like it though. He says he doesn't like it. That
What do you think, Tamanna?
I think he doesn't like vodka.
Yeah, even I don't think he would like vodka. I think he's a whiskey guy. That's the only probably truth.
आप लोगों ने बहुत जोर लगा लिया अपने दिमाग के ऊपर. इन्होंने 2 झूठ बोले थे, मैंने तीनों बोले. मैं
You don't drink? Is it? Oh. But इतनी bad guy image बना ली इन्होंने movies में. We thought, oh, of course he's.
At least
आप
you don't
लोग
look like a
debate
vodka
करने
person.
लग
Look like a beer person.
Love it, love it. Thank you so very much for this conversation. And in the end, I also want to, since we read that your first, meeting, and you said it has come a full circle, I want to share a moment. It goes back to 2010. I had started my job in radio, of course, 14 years ago, and I was part of a radio jockey hunt, okay, which I won. And who came to felicitate? Mr. Shergill in Jalandhar
Is that?
in 2010.
that is so.
That's a circle.
Yeah, that's
Nice.
But it was really nice to meet you again. Of course, we'll flash this here as well. But thank you so very much. All the very best for Sikandar Ka Muqaddar, and excited to watch this film. और आप तीनों भी एक साथ आए, वो भी I think एक exciting moment होगा हमारे लिए. So thank you very much, and all the very best. This is Arun Singh signing off for NDTV.
Thank you.